Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Chris Mazzarella and you're watching No Reserve Classics. And before we get started, guys, if you haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because your dream ride can be in the next video. And although you can't be with me here today on this beautiful turntable, you can visit us directly at No Reserve Classics, where you'll be able to take this ride and all of our other rides for a virtual 360-degree tour. That's right, with a simple swipe of a finger, you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior. After you're done with that, click on the top left-hand corner for a virtual 360-degree interior tour as well. And we here at No Reserve Classics know about all of our rides because we own all of our rides. And with that being said, guys, this vehicle is owned 100% by No Reserve Classics and is not a consignment vehicle. So if you have any questions on how to get this car into your driveway, or have any questions on how to get financing and some added upgrades, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll be sure to guide you through the full process. I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.